What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here we have a nice punch and chisel set from 1AAuto.com. Comes with many different sizes, from little punches, bigger punches, and some chisels. And it also comes with this little gauge that if the chisels wear out, you can machine them. You can just sand them down. And then it comes with a lot bigger punches over here. These are nice, longer handles, bigger chisels. Get yours at 1AAuto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.